gonna lay on my foot.
You're welcome.
All right.
Hey, girlfriend.
House.
Hey, girlfriend.
All right.
This is a dog, if you can't tell.
Go.
Hey, girlfriend.
Put this up. Y'all get your
Hey, girlfriend.
Francis, you
Michael.
want water? Do I need
Hey.
to get some more?
Michael, look. I'm just taking yourself.
You might need to get some more water.
They can take the running balls that y'all had and do all that.
Aw. Hey,
They can
cat.
put some water in there.
Hey.
What's his name?
I forgot. Shanti.
Miss Shanti.
Miss Shanti. He calls you Miss Shanti. She.
Yeah, maybe that's how you drop it.
No, I'm videotaping. I'm doing my videos.
They had a good time.
Mike. He called Miss Gail Miss Shanti. Michael did.
You just said
Michael,
Shanti.
they don't want it.
So that's her.
All right. I'll be right back out, y'all.
Hey, Kitty.
They're the only two that
Kitty.
dog up there.
Kitty.
What's her? Her name's Sister.
Sister.
That's Sister.
Let's go see the barn, Michael. Huh? Let's go see the barn.
Okay.
All right.
Huh?
What you want, Carissa?
Let's go see the barn, Shanti.
What you want, me, Mendez?
Nothing.
All right, then go somewhere and sit down.
Okay. Where's the other one? What other one? The other dog.
Okay.
Huh? Look at the pool. What's in the pool?
What's the other dog?
What's that big dog? What dog?
That's the big dog.
The little ones, you mean?
No.
Oh, the small one?
No.
That's big dog. Huh?
You didn't chase that other one away?
Oh, the one that killed that deaf one?
No.
Which one?
The one who used to chase that other dog, but not killing them.
Oh, that small one? Oh, that small dog?
No. The other dog.
What color was it?
The donation dog. Let's do what we did last time.
Oh, he went back to his house. Over there.
Do what we did last time. Go for it.
Where the chickens are? You gonna see it? Okay. Huh? Okay, Michael, you gotta be quiet, okay?
Why?
Please try to sneak up on the dog.
What dog?
You know there's some dogs in there. This is Michael Johnson from the Elm Street. Stop, Michael. That's Michael.
Yeah, Michael.
Please stop, Michael. Michael, stop. Stop. This way, y'all. Hey, y'all, we Shanti. Oh my gosh, Shanti. Shanti gonna make noise. Shall not make no noise then.
You know me, but you have to
Shut up. You gotta shut. No, shut up. Tiptoe. You gotta learn how to be quiet. Stop. Oh my God, Michael. Stop. Oh,
Where's that cat?
no. Michael running. Where's Michael? It's okay, Michael.
Y'all letting him out?
Huh? No.
I'm letting him out. No, we're shy.
Let's
Let's go see the horses.
These are little puppies. Aren't they adorable? This is the farm. Let's go see the horses.
No, horses are gentle.
Yeah. Oh, dogs. Over here. Oh, look at the donkey.
And here goes a donkey.
Can y'all see that donkey? There's a donkey right over there. Oh my God, Kristen. The donkey's coming, so y'all be able to see it once it's on.
I can't. Hurry up. I'm scared of that thing.
Ah! Hurry up, Chris Donkey. Why are you scared of the donkey? Are you scared of the donkey, Michael?
Don't move. They ain't gonna do that.
Don't do that, Michael. See, this is the donkey. It's the
I need to
donkey.
get some more hand sanitizer then.
It's hard to see our ant. That's the donkey.
And that's how you rub him. Rub his nose if you can't reach it. Oh, you need to take a bath.
Where is Sean?
He roughed it.
That's the donkey.
If you saw the horses. Now you are going to see.
Shut up, Michael. This is my video.
Oh my God.
Shazzy, what are you doing? Oh, you can't go in?
Nope.
You hold the camera. Do you not videotape? Wait, record me going in. This is Monday. I'm coming in, guys. What? I see a horse. Hey. Hey. It's adorable. Hey, y'all. Hey. Where are y'all going?
You looking at the horse
Where?
over there?
Show me.
Now here's a real live horse.
This is all my house. Look at it.
Mendez, quit lying. That's not your house.
This
This
is
is the girls
Yeah, mine.
and ours.
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw this.
There's one big giant house.
I think over here.
Michael Johnson.
Yeah. You know we finna get this.
Wait. Tell me who you from. Tell me.
No.
No, ain't you Michael Johnson from Elm Street?
I am
Huh?
not from school.
Yes, you are. And he got the fake leg too.
Yo, you tell it too much. Now let's see if we can find it.
Do you know Jacoby Miller?
Yes. And you can find him on Jacoby.com.
Yeah, because he got YouTube channel.
Jacoby@.com.
Jacoby Miller.
White horses stuff.
Yeah, those are some white horses all the way down there.
They can like your YouTube channel.
Shanti.
Shanti! Where are you? Bruh, you need to chill out over there.
Where'd the cat go?
I don't know. I think they kicked it. I'm just kidding.
They probably scared it.
Are they asleep?
Who?
Them.
No, they're not asleep. What is in this room?
No, we're gonna put them now.
What is in this room? Look like a cat in here. Turn on the lights.
Why'd you get here? You were scared to get caught?
No.
No, I'm just scared because you scared me.
Come on, let's go, guys. Huh? This is the farm.
And then if it do get out, I'm gonna be running.
There's a lot of animals here. Michael, aren't there a lot of animals?
Mm-hmm.
Like, he's scared of some of them.
No, I'm not.
Let's just keep that a secret, though. I can see that little cat walking over there. Don't y'all think we should run?
Why?
Michael's still behind, and my sister, and the donkey.
Take a picture of that dog.
I'm doing a video. Oh, you did. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And that's really Michael Johnson from Elm Street, Jacoby. That's really him. Don't you forget to subscribe for more daily content. And add a like. Peace. She got a lot more animals. I'm gonna videotape when we go to the chickens so I can see our chickens. Bye. And that's my sister. And then that's really Michael from Elm Street. It really is Michael.
It's not.
Michael! You know that's really you. Stop throwing rocks at me. Please stop throwing rocks at me. Calm down.
No.
Please.
I don't want you to take me no more.
I'm just going to put you on YouTube.
No.
Why not? You mean turn it off?
No.
You mean turn the camera off?
Turn it off.
Okay. If you would just put your hand out, let me just get one little shot at you, okay?
No.
No, okay, I'll turn it off for you. I will not videotape you no more. No more. Okay. No, put your face up. Now, aren't you really Michael?
No.
Okay, then I'm going to keep putting you on it. Aren't you really Michael?
No.
Okay, now you want me to keep putting you on camera?
No.
Then tell me, are you really Michael? Aren't you Michael from Elm Street?
No.
Yes, you are. Yes, he is Michael Johnson from Elm Street with a fake leg and everything. No, that's why he's fighting me. Oh, that Michael will fight.
Bye.
And he got dreads too. That says it all. That dreads. Them dreads. He hadn't had them dreads. That would have got you. Okay, bye. I'm trying to close out this video. Stop beating me.
I don't see chicken now.
I don't want to fall.
You don't see chicken?
Not yet. I'm trying to play, Chauncey. That's gonna waste all my time. Okay, now close out the video, Michael. Wait. Peace. Thank y'all for watching. Peace. I'm gonna videotape me with the chickens next. So, peace.